Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 2nd January current affairs, the topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is excess nitrates contamination in the groundwater. This topic comes under our main topic, conservation, environmental pollution and degradation in GS3. The topic why it is in the news. First of all, the excess nitrates are the health hazard, especially for the young children found in groundwater largely due to the subsidized fertilizer use. The situation is worsening in central and southern India with the highest levels in the Rajasthan, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. The excessive nitrates in the groundwater is a significant environmental health concern in the many regions, including the agricultural area in India and worldwide. This contamination is primarily linked to the agricultural practices, industrial wastes, and also the improper sanitation. Here is what are the nitrates? Nitrates are naturally occurring ions in the nitrogen cycle. They are found in the soil and water and are essential for the plant growth. These sources actually from fertilizer, animal manures, and also the septic tanks. These are the main natural soil process. So these kind of nitrates comes by these kind of sources. And also we have, first of all, the main thing is the agricultural activities is a major cause. First of all, it is a overuse of nitrogen based fertilizer and improper irrigation practice lead to a nitrate leaching into the groundwater, and also there is a crop residue and manure also contribute to the nitrate accumulation. And also second thing is industrial waste. The discharge of the from the industrial like chemical manufacturing can lead to the nitrate pollution. And also sewage and waste disposal. There is a leakage from septic tank, untreated sewage, and improper waste management increase the nitrate level in the sewage. And also there is a natural process. In some cases, natural decomposition of the organic matter. The soil contribute the nitrate buildups it by naturally. So these are the main important things causes the excessive nitrate in groundwater. First of all, the agricultural activities, industrial waste, sewage waste proper disposal, natural process. What are the health impacts? The health impacts of high level of nitrogen. First is blue baby syndrome. This is the main important. That is a methemoglobinemia. That is a infant under 6 months or particularly vulnerable as nitrate interfere with the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. And the second is cancer risk. The long term exposure of the high nitrate level to the linked in certain cancer, particularly gastric, bladder cancer, due to the formation of the carcinogenic and also nitrosamines and also other health hazards like it intake associated with the thyroid dysfunctions, and also there is adversely affect the pregnancy outcomes. These are the main health impacts which is created by the high nitrate level in the groundwater. And also there is a environmental concern. We have the impacts on the environmental too. That is a eutrophication is one of the major concern in this currently. That is a excess nitrate in the water body causes the algal blooms. That is the algal is blooming in the surface of the groundwater, surface of the water, which will affect the many water kingdom. So it will affect the fisheries, everything. So it will harm the fishes to die. This fishes die, again it will create the nitrate matter, and it will again it makes a bloom of the algal. So definitely the ecosystem of the aquatic life will be definitely affect through these kind of algal blooming. And also there is a soil degradation. There is a soil can be degraded. Nitrate buildup affect the soil health and also reduce the productivity in the lifetime. So these are the main important criteria. And also it contaminate the drinking water. The drinking water is a major concern which created many health issues for the people. So the groundwater is a primary source of drinking water in many regions, and also it contaminates, protect the poses the threat to the larger population. So we have some standard and guidelines that is given by the WHO. That is recommended a maximum nitrate concentrate is 50 mg per liter in a drinking water is a safe. In India, there is a Bureau of Indian Standard follow the same limit. And also there is a region which affected more was, that is a Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat high use of fertilizer and over irrigation are primary cause of these kind of groundwater contamination. And also there is a Maharashtra and Karnataka, the industrial and urban waste contribute these kind of problems. How to mitigate these kind of things? So mitigate strategy we must know. First of all, we need to concentrate on agriculture side, that is promoting the use of the biofertilizer, organic matter, organic manures, that is adopting the precision farming is optimize the fertilizer usage. And also there is a crop rotation and intercropping is reduce the nitrogen demand. And also there is a water management, considering the artificial wetlands and buffer zone to filter the nitrates by runoff. And also there is encouraging the use of the nitrate removal technologies like ion exchange, that is reverse osmosis, and also that is a biological denitrification in the drinking water systems, which will reduce the water management. The policy intervention, the stricter regulation on fertilizer usage and waste disposal, the subsidies for sustainable farming equipment and practices are definitely induce the contamination. And also there is a awareness creation, that is we need to create the awareness of the people, that is communities and health risk nitrate contamination. Regarding this we need to educate the communities, and also we need to promote the rainwater harvesting to dilute the nitrate concentration in the groundwater. We increase the seepage of the rainwater will definitely reduce the nitrate contamination in the groundwater. And also we need to monitor and make the research in that, to regular testing of groundwater, public disclosure of the result is important factors. We need to create a awareness between the people, and also we can have the research and cost effective technology to reduce the nitrate removal. So these are the things can definitely mitigate the nitrogen contamination in a groundwater. Thank you so much.